Lakeside today. In today's health and wellness segment, we are talking about tips for your skin to keep it healthy in your 50s.
Absolutely. Dr. Lydia Parker recently sat down with Alexa and Joe to share her insight on aging gracefully. Take a look.
Doctor, in the 50s, I think that we're paying for the sins from not using the sunscreen in our 20s and 30s, doing the yard work without the hat on, and things are starting to catch up with us.
Right. Sun damage, brown spots, age spots. But with hormonal loss in the 50s, we notice other effects. Our eyebrows are disappearing, our eyelashes are disappearing, our skin is sagging more tummy fat.
It sounds like maybe this is a depressing time, but no, it's actually exciting.
I don't know, you guys are scaring me. I'm not sold.
Because there's things we can do to preserve or rejuvenate.
We sure can.
And let's talk about that.
Yeah. Right. Well, one of the biggest issues, as we age, our faces actually shrivel and shrink. We lose collagen, we lose elastic fibers, we lose the dewy fluid in our skin. And we start to sag. When we replace that volume, our skin can lift up, much like a wilted flower. We start to droop a little bit. And when you hydrate that flower, it'll lift and pick right up again, and our skin will do that with volume replacement.
Let's look at some pictures here, because I think this really tells an awesome story.
Right. Well, laser peels as opposed to chemical peels in our 50s are better because we'll get some tightening with it as well.
And that's more dramatic with a laser.
Exactly.
Gotcha. Okay,
exactly.
that's what we're seeing here.
Yeah, you can see the
the
brown
tone.
spots in the left. And
right. But the volume replacement, you know, we can take away the tired under the eyes, we can lift the cheeks, we can lift the jawline.
Now, is this done entirely to the face or just the areas that are necessary, like under the eyes you mentioned?
We'll put it in the key areas where it's going to be the most help.
Okay.
Yeah, with
So
filler
what is the product
injections.
you brought with you today?
Well, Latisse, the eyelash growing product, because in our 50s our eyelashes disappear.
Okay.
And we can bring those back. And the tummy fat, of course, we can address.
Yeah,
that was the last picture.
Let's go back. Let's go back to the tummy, because this is obvious a problem for anyone who's working out in their 40s, and all of a sudden they're realizing the battle of the bulge, they're losing it because no matter what they do, they can't get rid of that tummy fat.
So many women in their 50s feel like I'm eating right, I'm exercising, and you know, they have this tummy that they just can't get to be where they want it to be.
And you even said personal trainers come to you, all kinds of people.
And
exactly.
And the cool sculpting that we're seeing here, there's other techniques as well.
Right. There are lasers that melt fat. There are multiple non-invasive body contouring technologies out there.
And this is really embracing the new technology with this.
Exactly.
Yeah, this is great.
We can permanently freeze and melt
fat.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, I appreciate it. If you want to see her personally, there's 2 locations, Beechwood and in Willoughby, theparkerclinic.com. Of course, you can find her online. Doctor, as always, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.